Children, it is next part of the Mathematics Model Question Paper 2023. Now you take the third main, that is answer the following questions. 2 marks questions, 8 questions are there. Total is 16 marks. Now you take the 17th question. Solve the given pair of linear equation 2x plus y equals 7, x minus y equals 2. Here, what is the question? Solve the given pair of linear equations 2x plus y equals 7, x minus y equals 2. You know that it is a pair of linear equation. There are different methods. Now let us take the elimination method. So you write two x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 2. 2x plus y equals 7, x minus y equals 2. Consider this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Now let us find the value of x and y by elimination method. Here we have to eliminate any one of the variable. To eliminate the variable, the coefficient must be same. Here you observe the y and minus y. Both of them are having same coefficient, plus 1 and minus 1. You can cancel plus 1 and minus 1 easily. Therefore, here you take the cancellation of plus y and minus y. That is by doing the operation first plus second. Equation first and second can be added to cancel, because here y plus y and minus y, they are having different sign. So different sign can be cancelled by adding them. So plus y and minus y cancels. Plus y and minus y cancels. Then what is remaining here? You can add this 2x and x. 2x and x becomes 3x. X means 1x. 2x plus 1x becomes 3x. And here 7 plus 2, 9. Here we have to add the first and second equation. So add this 2x and x, you will get 3x. Plus y and minus y cancels. Here 0y remains. Therefore you take 3x equals 9. That is sum of 7 and 2 is 9. And you solve for x. Here you got a linear equation 3x plus 9. 3x equals 9. Then you solve it. X equals 9 by 3. Transfer this 3 to the RHS. Then you will get x equals 9 by 3. Then you can cancel 3 1s are 3 3s are. Then you got x equals 3. Now to find y equals y value, take the value of x equals 3 in any one of the equation. You can take either 2x plus y equals 7 or x minus y equals 2. Then let us take first equation or second equation. Second equation, if you take second equation, x minus y equals 2, put the value of x. What is the value of x? 3. 3 minus y equals 2. Then minus y equals, transfer this 3 to the RHS, it becomes 2 minus 3. 3 is transferred to the RHS. Then minus y equals 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then y is equals to 1 by cancelling the negative sign on both the side. Here you know that minus, we have to solve the value of y. Therefore you keep minus y in the LHS and transfer this 3 to the RHS. That becomes 2 minus 3. Then you will get y minus y equals minus 1. Then by cancelling that minus minus on both the side, you will get y equals 1. Therefore you got the solution. Therefore x equals 3, y equals 1. Now you take the question number 18. What is the question? Find the 30th term of the arithmetic progression 7, 11, 15, so on by using formula. Here it is an AP. It is given that it is AP. It is AP. Now in this AP, what is the first term? The term which is in the first, that is the first term. So you write, first you write the AP 7, 11, 15, so on. The first term A is equals to 7. Then D is the common difference. D means 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 which is equals to 4. Then here which term we have to find out? 30th term. That is n equals 30 and an equals question mark. Nth term is an. So n equals 30. Now you write the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Then which term we have to find out? 30th term. Here the question is by using the formula. So we have taken the formula. The suitable formula is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. That is to find the nth term. Nth term means here 30th term. Now in the place of n you write 30. A 30 equals a. A is the first term. This is 7. A is 7 and you write plus. Then in the place of n you write 30 minus 1. N minus 1 means 30 minus 1 and d. In the place of d you write 4. Then a 30 equals 7 plus 20, 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 into 4. So a 30 equals 7 plus the product of 29 and 4. You know that 9 4s are 36. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Then a 30 equals 96 plus 7. You know that 96 plus 7 is 103. So the 30th term is 103. Now you take the question number 19. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 5 equals 0 using the quadratic formula. And here it is a choice question or is there. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0 by method of completing square. Both of them are quadratic equation. We have to solve either by using quadratic formula, this one, and second by using the completing square method. Now take this quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. Here you find the value of a, b, c. You know that it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. And a means coefficient of x square. Here 1. So you write a equals 1. And b is the coefficient of x. Here b is 4 and c is the constant. C equals, c is here 5. Then you write the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. That equals minus, you write minus only. Then b value is 4. So minus b means minus 4 plus or minus. Again in the place of b you write 4. B square means 4 square. 4 square minus 4 into a. A is 1 into c. C is 5. That divided by 2 into 1 which is equals to minus 4. You write minus 4 plus or minus, you write plus or minus only. Then 4 square value. What is the value of 4 square? 4 into 4, 16. Then minus 4 into 1 into 5. So what is the product of 4 into 1 into 5? 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. And 2 into 1 is 2. Equals, you write minus 4 as it is. Minus 4 plus or minus whole root. 16 minus 20 is minus 4 divided by 2 which is equals to Minus 4, you write minus 4 only, plus or minus. This is 4 into minus 1 by 2, which is equals to minus 4 plus or minus 2 root minus 1 divided by 2. Here you can write this as an answer also. But if you want to continue it, you can simplify it. So remove common, 2 is a common here. Then if 2 is removed outside, what comes in the bracket? 2 into minus 2 plus or minus whole root minus 1 whole by 2. 2 cancels. So what is remaining here? Minus 2 plus or minus whole root minus 1. This is the solution of the quadratic equation, or these are the roots. Here 2 roots are there. You can write one is plus and other one is minus. So you write. Now you take the OR question. What is that OR question? Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0 by the method of completing the square. Now you take the quadratic equation. What is that quadratic equation? 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient x square is 2. So divide all the terms by 2. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 equals 0. Then 2 cancels. X square plus x by 2 minus 2 ones are 2 2s. You got this equation. Now here you get the coefficient of x. X by 2 means half x. So you write b equals 1 by 2. Then you take half b is equals to what? Half into half, which is equals to 1 by 4. So you add and subtract the square of 1 by 4. That is half b means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Here you got 1 by 2 square of the half b. So here you got square of the half b. Half, that is x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square, and you write minus 2 as it is. Minus 2 equals 0. You have to add and subtract half b whole square, means half b is 1 by 4 whole square. Now you observe the first 3 terms, x square, x by 2 and 1 by 4 whole square. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square is x square, b square is 1 by 4 whole square, and 2ab is 2 into a means this x into b is 1 by 4. So if you cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are, again you are going to get x by 2. So which is equals to, this is x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Means you got, this is a is x, b is 1 by 4, a plus b whole square. Then you can write x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square as x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Then you write minus 1 by 4 whole square is 1 by 16 minus 2 equals 0. Then you write this x plus 1 by 4 whole square as it is, and you add these two. Here what is the LCM? LCM is 16. Then if minus is removed outside, this becomes plus. So you write 1 as it is, and here minus 2 means minus 2 by 1. The LCM becomes 6. So 1 16s are 16. So 2 16s is 32. As here minus is outside, it becomes 1 plus 32, which is equals to 0. Then you write x plus 1 by 4 whole square as it is. Then minus 32 plus 1 is 33 by 16 equals 0. And you transfer this minus 33 by 16 to RHS. Then it becomes 1 by x plus 1 by 4 whole square equals 33 by 16. Now you remove the square. If you remove the square, here there is square root. So you write x plus 1 by 4 equals plus or minus root 33 by 16. Root 33 by 16. Now you transfer this 1 by 4 to the RHS. It becomes x equals plus 1 by 4 becomes minus 1 by 4 when it comes to the RHS. So you got minus 1 by 4 plus or minus whole root 33 by t, which can be written as 33 by 4. Then x equals, if you remove 4 as a LCM, then you will get minus 1 plus or minus root 33 in the numerator. Then here you take plus 1 time and minus 1 time. X equals minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, 1 root, or x equals minus 1 minus root 33 by 4 is the another root. In this way, by completing square method, you got the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. Now you take the next question. Prove that root 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. What we have to prove? We have to prove that 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So let us assume to the contrary that you write, let us assume to the contrary that 5 plus root 3 is irrational. You take 5 plus root 3 is rational. It is a contrary. If 5 plus root 3 is rational, you can express that in the form of p by q or a by b, where a and b are co-prime number. Means the common factor of a and b is only 1. They are not having common factors other than 1. So they are called co-prime number. So you write, let five plus root 3 equals a by b, right, where a and b are co-prime numbers. They are the integers. So you take, they are co-prime numbers. Now we transfer this 5 to the RHS. You know that 5 is a rational, and also you know that root 3 is irrational. It is already proved. So you take root 3 equals a by b minus 5. Then root 3 equals, here you take the LCM. Then what is the LCM? LCM is 1, because a by b minus 5 by 1. Then LCM of b and 1 is b. You write b in the denominator. In the numerator you will get B into 1 is B, so A into 1 is A only. Then you write A minus 1 into B is B. So 1 into B is B means multiply this 5 by B. So 5 into B is 5B. Now you know that A minus 5B is rational. In the LHS you got root 3 which is irrational. But in the RHS you got rational. LHS is irrational. RHS is rational. So you know that it is impossible. RHS A minus 5B by B is rational. Here you write A minus 5B by B is rational. But we know that root 3 is irrational. So this contradiction arises due to our wrong assumption. So here we have taken that 5 plus root 3 is rational. Our assumption is wrong. So you can conclude, 5 plus root 3 is irrational. So you write this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. Because of our incorrect assumption. So our assumption is wrong. What assumption we have taken? 5 plus root 3 is rational. This assumption we have taken and this is wrong. So we have to write it. This 5 plus root 3 is irrational. So we conclude that five plus root 3 is irrational. It is LHS is irrational, RHS is rational, and you know that it is not possible. Here we know that root 3 is irrational, but here you got in the RHS you got A minus 5B by B which is rational. So this is a contradiction. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption 5 plus root 3 is rational. So we have to conclude here 5 plus root 3 is irrational. In this way we can prove this 5 plus root 3 is irrational by contradiction method. Next you find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21 by the method of prime factorization. Means here we have to find the prime factors of each number, then we have to find the LCM. Now you take the first number 12. What are the prime factors of 12? You take 2, 6 are 12, 2 3s are 3 1s are. You know the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3. The prime factors of 12 are 12 equals, you write 2 into 2 means 2 square into 3. Next you take the 15. What are the prime factors of 15? You know that it is not divisible by 15. Then you try to divide it by 3. 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Then 15 equals 3 into 5. Then you take 21, divide it by 3 only because it is not divisible by 2. And 3 7s are, 7 1s are. Then you write 21 equals 3 into 7. Here first we have to express each number in the form of product of prime factors. You know what are prime factors? 2, 3, 5, 7. 11, all these are prime factors which are having the factors 1 and that number only. They are not divisible by any other number. So we have to divide each number by them only. Either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 11. If it is not divisible by 2, then you have to take 3. If it is not divisible by 2 and 3, then you have to take 5. In this way, you must express each number in the form of prime factors. Next, you write the LCM. LCM equals. First, you find the common factors. What are the common factors here? 3 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there. You write that one. 3 into 2 square is there, and other numbers are not having the factors 2. So, you write 2 power 2 and extra factors 5 and 7. Here 2 power 2, 5 and 7 are the extra factors which are not common, and common factor is 3 and HCF becomes 3 only, and the LCM equals the product of all these. Then you write 3 into 2 power is 4 into 5 into 7, which is equals to 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7 is 420. Now the question number 22, 22nd question. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 3.5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree. Children, you must know the method of drawing the tangents to the circle when the angle between the tangents are given. Construction is already done in the construction chapter. You go through that videos and learn them. But here, let us discuss roughly, step by step, let us explain. Now you take the first step. What we have to do? Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. So mark one point as a center, which is O. With that point, draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Draw one radius, that is OA, and here we have to draw a pair of tangents, not single tangents. We have to draw a pair of tangents from the external point. They are inclined at an angle of 80 degree. Means here we have to take another radius with the particular angle. What is that particular angle? Here the angle between the tangent is 80 degree. What is the angle between the tangent? 80 degree. So what is the angle between that radii at the center? That is 180 minus 80 degree, which is equals to 100 degree, and here you construct 180 degree angle. You know the method of constructing 180 degree angle. Then here OA and OB are the radii. At a point A and at a point B, draw a perpendicular. You know the method of drawing the perpendicular at a point to that line. So you draw a perpendicular, and here you take a compass with A as a point, A as a center, OA as a radius. Draw one curve, and here you will get a point of intersection of both the circle and the curve, and with that as a center, with the same measurement of arc, draw one more curve like this way, and again you got next point. With that point, with the same radius, cut it. So you got one more point, the last point, and join that to the point of contact of one radii. Next, again you follow the same method. Here also with B as a center, draw a curve with OB. Again you will get a point of intersection here. With that point, with the same radius, cut it up to this. Again you take this point, and next you cut it, and again here you join to get the tangent and extend both the tangent to meet at a point then you got a point P. This is a point P, and if you measure the angle at a point P, that is exactly how much? 80 degree. In this way, follow the steps and do the construction. Next, question number 23. What is there? There are 6 red, 5 blue and 4 green balls in a box. A ball is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the ball drawn is not green, second red? So, in the first step you write total number of all possible outcomes. Total number of all possible outcomes, which is equals to sum of all balls, 6 plus 5 plus 4. 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is equals to 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is 15. Next here, for not green. Here you have to find the probability of the ball drawn is not green and probability of the ball drawn is red. First case you take first one. What is that? Ball drawn not green. So then what are the number of outcomes favorable to this event? So write number of outcomes favorable to E, you write. This is an event E, that is equals to a number of outcomes favorable to draw not green. Equals what? Here not green means you have to leave this 4, find the sum of these 2, that is 6 plus 5, which is equals to 11. Then you write P of E. P of E is the probability of E, that event. And in the numerator you write number of outcomes favorable to E, means this event. That divided by number of all possible outcomes. And in the numerator, number of outcomes favorable to E is 11 and total number of all possible outcomes is 15. So the probability of E is 11 by 15. Then you take the next one. What is that? Probability of red ball. So you take second one, ball drawn is red. Then again same thing you write, number of outcomes favorable to draw red ball. Draw red ball. How many red balls are there? There are 6 red balls. How many red balls? 6 red balls. So you write 6 here. Then you write P of E is equals to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes, which is equals to. Write that P of E is equals to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes. That is, number of outcomes favorable to E is 6. Then what are the total number of all possible outcomes? Divided by total number of all possible outcomes. Again you have to take 15 only, because total number of all possible outcomes is 15. So you got 6 by 15. For not green ball, you got 11 by 15, and for red balls you got 6 by 15. Then you take the next question. What is that question? In the figure, ABC is a right angle triangle and angle BAC equals 90 degree. If AD is perpendicular to BC, BD is equals to DC, then prove that BC square is equals to 4AD square. Here it is given angle BAC is 90 degree and also AD is perpendicular to BC. So you write that one first. In triangle ABC, what is given? Angle BAC equals 90 degree. AD is perpendicular to BC and also given BD is equals to DC. As BD is equals to DC, here D becomes the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of this line BC. So you can say that BD is BC by 2, half of BC, and DC is also BC by 2. Consider this 2 is first. Now you know that AD square is equals to BD into DC. So you write AD square is equals to BD into DC, because AD is the mean proportion of BD and DC. Now you write AD square equals BD means BC by 2 into DC means again BC by 2. That is from 1. Then you write AD square equals BC into BC square. 2 into 2, 4. Then you got to the cross multiplication, that is 4AD square equals BC square. That is BC square equals 4AD square. Got the result? Here you got BC square is equals to 4AD square.